So today I'm here to present my patented technology, that is instant seasoning. First of all, what is instant seasoning? Seasoning means any food or any supplement which will be added in the food to enhance the taste. Means seasoning act as a taste enhancer. So what the problem statement? Commercially, white sauce is available in the market, and white sauce mainly comprises of wheat flour, artificial thickeners and artificial flavor enhancers like monosodium L-glutamate. And in spite of higher consumption and popularity as a taste enhancer, improvement of health benefit of such product like white sauce minimize the negative influence, means there is a negative effect in our health. So no attempt of nutrient alternative preparation from plant source will be done, and continuous consumption of refined wheat flour, artificial thickener, artificial flavor enhancer containing market white sauce may cause health hazards. So how it is being addressed today? It is an alternative to white sauce. Available taste enhancer instant seasoning is available in market. However, they mainly comprises of citric acid, xanthan gum, modified starch, and rich flavor and longer shelf life. To increase the shelf life, artificial sweeteners or artificial flavors were added in the seasoning agents. Some also contain ginger, garlic, but they also contain chemical ingredients and flavor enhancers. No attempt has been done to prepare such product without using the artificial enhancers. So what is the solution? Solution is alternative substitute of white sauce which contain highly nutrient, means it contain nutrient agent, highly nutritive agent. An alternative substitute of white sauce formulation of instant seasoning without using any chemical preservative, artificial stabilizers, artificial flavor enhancers, and wheat flour, mainly basically refined wheat flour. Easily available household natural antimicrobial ingredients are available like clove, black pepper, garlic, which also act as a natural flavor enhancer. And it is fiber and protein rich product which contain mung bean flour, milk, clarified butter, and red chili flakes. Ingredients are easily available and cost effective. It can be used for various products like noodles, pizza base, bread, and it acts as a spreading agent along with the culinary purpose. So what is the cost benefit analysis? All the ingredients were easily available at low cost, and current technology readiness level is 3, means proof of concept is available. Technology is already patented. So implementation of the proposed solution, we want some industrial collaboration, and commercial is broad spectrum. Market potential, target customer, lower to higher class consumer who are interested in fast, cheap, and convenient food. Total addressable market, worldwide fast food markets, and scale of feasibility. It is easy to process, easy to prepare the instant seasoning, easy to store, and feasible lab to commercial scale level. अभी हमने जो किया है ऑलरेडी हमारे जो इंस्टेंट सीजनिंग है ये हमारा पेटेंटेड है और लैब स्केल पर हम इसको कर चुके हैं. तो एक अल्टरनेटिव है व्हाइट सॉस का. हमारे जो बेसिकली हम मेन थीम लेके चले थे कि जो व्हाइट सॉस या कोई भी सॉस जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा केमिकल प्रिजर्वेटिव्स होते हैं जो हेल्थ हैजार्ड कॉज करते हैं. तो क्यों ना कोई ऐसा सॉल्यूशन लेके आया जाए जो बच्चों के लिए और साथ साथ एडल्ट्स के लिए हेल्थ के लिए यूजफुल हो. मीन्स हमने कोशिश की है कि हम रिप्लेस करें व्हाइट सॉस को, क्योंकि व्हाइट सॉस जो है वो रिफाइंड व्हीट फ्लोर से टोटली बनता है. तो जो हमारे सॉल्यूशन है ये सॉल्यूशन है कि इंस्टेंट सीजनिंग जो है इसमें कोई भी केमिकल प्रिजर्वेटिव यूज नहीं किया गया और बेसिकली जो प्रोसेसिंग है वो इजिली स्टेप से की गई है सभी प्रोसेसिंग. और जो न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू है इसकी न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू हाई है एज कंपेयर टू अदर व्हाइट सॉस अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. So what is the expectation from the industry? For the transfer of technology for commercialization through mutually acceptable agreement and for large scale production. That's from my side.